What's up, everybody? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I wasn't planning on making a video. This will be the first video I've ever made or posted to YouTube, but I think it could help a lot of people out. As I've heard, this is a pretty common problem. What I'm working on here is a Audi A4 B8 Avant. I just got this car to basically do a flip on it, but I kind of fell in love with it. It didn't run when I got it, so I did a compression test on it. Everything was good. It cranked over. It was a super clean car. I took a chance with it. I keep saying so I got it towed home, put new spark plugs in it, started right up, but it was blowing white smoke everywhere. So I popped an intercooler line or a charge pipe off, and there was oil all in it. So I had a blown turbo. I got a replacement turbo from eBay Motors and threw that in. That is not a fun job. You can watch, I think, ECS Tuning's video on that. It's real informative. You can get it done yourself, but it's pretty painful. Anyways, so enough with that intro, but this is about your windshield washer reservoir. So what happened to me was I filled it up and then it started leaking onto the ground immediately, and I was like, all right, so there's a seal gone somewhere, or where the actual motor goes in. I thought maybe this little grommet down here was leaking. It's pretty common on Toyota's, stuff that I'm used to. But after doing some digging and really some experimenting, it's not this grommet. There's actually a little pinhole crack right back in there. See that dark spot? That's literally like, it looks like the plastic just corroded, and like, I don't know, maybe it was a weak spot in the casting from the factory. But I've heard of issues with these and people just replace them. What I'm gonna do is either some plastic epoxy, like some JB Weld, or I'm gonna use this stuff that I use at work all the time called water weld. It's a 2-part epoxy. I don't know if I have any of this would work. For this video, I mean, I'm not actually gonna show you how to do that because I'm not really good at editing. So hopefully this helps people out. If you want to see a video on how to get those stupid little clips off and the procedure for taking this thing out, definitely let me know. And I think I'm just going to start making videos because everybody's doing it, and I'm always working on cars and figuring stuff out myself. And like this particular item, I couldn't find a video on how to remove this particular fender liner. Which isn't that complicated, but there's just a couple of like clips that were super annoying to figure out. And also how to remove this. I could not find a video on how to get this thing out, so I almost took the fender off, thinking that it was like bolted on back here, but it was just this little plug that goes into a grommet, and maybe this was clipped on to something up in here, some type of wire, something like that. But yeah, first time video. I'll show you guys the car. It's pretty sweet. All you wagon lovers out there, I think I'm with you now, because this thing's pretty cool. I did a little Ghetto Fabulous Spectre O'Reilly AutoZone intake. Yeah, the new turbo is installed. Anyways, this video is about washer fluid reservoirs. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Hit me up in the comments if you want me to do a video on how to remove it. I'll get a little tripod and make a way better video. Peace out.